안녕하세요. 오늘은 Pete the Kitty and the Bad Case of Hiccups 살펴보도록 할게요. Hiccups, hiccups, grumpy, grumpy, stand, stand, hop, hop, up and down, up and down, sing a song, sing a song, rob, rob, nothing, nothing, ask, ask, how, hold breath, hold breath, smart, smart, clap, clap, spin, spin, drink water, drink water, bad case, bad case, get rid of, get rid of, find a way, find a way, palm tree, palm tree, blow, blow, clam, clam, sand, sand, bucket, bucket, toad, toad. 문장 연습해 보도록 할게요. Pete has the hiccups. Pete has the hiccups. Pete asks Grumpy Toad. Pete asks Grumpy Toad. Stand on one foot. Stand on one foot. Hop up and down. Hop up and down. Sing a song. Sing a song. Rub your belly. Rub your belly. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath.